We can see from the team planning board that we have dependency lines just like the ones we saw on the program board. It's from the team planning board where we can create dependencies within and across teams to better collaborate and plan together. To create a dependency within a team, click the Create Dependencies button. This will create the dependency link type that was nominated when the program was set up. If an issue relies on another issue scheduled in a later sprint, the line will be red, which means our dependency is critical. If the dependency we have is within the same sprint, our dependency is at risk. And if we rely on an issue being completed in an earlier sprint, then our dependency is healthy and we're in good shape. When a dependency line is black, it means the dependency isn't within our current view. One reason for this is because the dependency is with another team. To see if we have a dependency with another team, click the Teams drop-down menu. Coloured numbers next to a team name represent dependency number and health. When we turn on these teams, we can see how some of the external dependency lines change colour now that the team is in view. If there are remaining dependency lines that are external, this can mean that the dependent issue is in another program or a future or past increment. Or, from the team planning board, it can also mean that we have a dependency with an issue in our team backlog that we've not yet scheduled. Of course, we also want to create dependencies with another team, and we do this in the same way as shown earlier, by turning on the Create Dependency mode and clicking an issue in one team and then another team to create a cross-team dependency. What you can see here is that it's really clear where we have dependencies between teams. Of course, we'd want to address unhealthy dependencies, and we can do that directly from this view by rescheduling an issue through drag and drop. This immediately changes the health of the dependency. And if we want to focus on addressing conflict or at-risk dependencies, we can do that from the Dependencies menu by selecting which dependencies we'd like to be visible. From what we've just learned, we can see how valuable it is to surface dependencies when planning, but this isn't limited to planning. During execution, priorities or scope may change. New requirements may come in. The Team Planning Board view empowers teams to make changes while retaining an up-to-date view of how those changes impact other teams in the program.